To make coffee filter tie-dye, we need white coffee filters, food colors, and a little water. First, we will fold our coffee filter in half and then in half again so it's in the shape of a triangle. Next, we will squeeze our food coloring onto the coffee filter. After we do the food coloring, we need to pour a little water onto the coffee filter so the colors start to blend together. We have to wait for the coffee filter to dry before opening it up and looking at our cool tie-dye designs.
For a craft stick picture frame, you need craft sticks, Velcro dots or glue, a paintbrush, and paint. First, you need to make your picture frame by using glue or Velcro dots on the ends of the craft sticks to make a square. Then, using your paint and paintbrush, you can design your picture frame however you'd like. For balloon painting, we need paint, a balloon, and some paper. First, you will start by blowing up your balloon. Next, you will dip the balloon in the paint, and then you will squish the balloon onto the paper. For marble painting, you will need paint, marbles, paper, and a bin to roll the marbles around in.
What are you putting in? Ooh, I like that one. Okay, put your marbles on there. Get them on there. Get them on the paint. Yeah, there it is. Nice job.
Look at them go. Oh, sweet.
Ooh, dude, that's so cool.
Okay, let's pick another color of paint.
New color.
Ooh, dark green.
This is going to be an interesting one.
Super. Give it a squeeze. Perfect.
Nice.
Okay, perfect. All right, get the marbles going.
Move 'em around, buddy.
Roll them.
Whoa.
Cool. All right, you want to pick one more color? Let's pick one more.
Well, this is just a montage of blue-green.
Let's squeeze that one over there.
I like it. Yep.
In that corner. In this corner. Squeeze. Squeeze the paint.
Nice.
Super. Okay, roll the marbles around. Okay, roll the marbles around. Nice. Yeah, you are.
Oh,
shaking.
dude,
Good
that is so
job.
cool. Nice rolling, buddy.